Hi guys, this is Deborah with Rituals Yoga, and in this video we're actually going to do the practice of Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutations. So there's going to be a total of 10, 5 of one variation and 5 of another. So when you're ready, get your mat and let's begin. So Sun Salutations, we always start at the front of our mat. This is going to feel a little bit repetitive, but sometimes when we repeat something, we really start to feel and understand the ritual aspect of the practice. Okay? So coming to the front of your mat, pressing the feet down, take a moment here, inhale. Exhale, bring the hands to your heart. Inhale, lift up, slightly arch back. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, your right foot back into a lunge. For this one, we're going to drop the back knee. Exhaling, step back and lower knees, chest and chin to the floor. Remember, bring your chest between your hands. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right foot between your hands. Drop the back knee. Exhale, left to meet the right. Inhaling all the way up to stand. Exhaling, hand to the heart. Left side, inhaling, lifting up. Exhaling, folding forward. Inhale that left foot back into a lunge. Drop the back knee. Hold the breath for a minute, step back, and then exhale, knees, chest, and chin to the floor. Inhaling, cobra. Exhaling, downward facing dog. Inhaling, left foot forward. Exhaling, right foot forward. Inhaling, arms out to the side and up. Exhaling, hands to the heart. That's one round. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, right foot back into a lunge. Drop the back knee. Exhaling, plank and lower all the way down. Knees, chest, and chin. Inhaling, cobra. Exhaling, downward facing dog. Inhaling, right foot steps forward. Exhale, left to meet the right. Inhale all the way up to stand. And exhale, hands to the heart. Inhaling, reaching up. Exhale, folding down. Left foot back into a lunge. Inhale, drop the back knee. Good. Holding your breath, step back, and then exhale, knees, chest, and chin. Inhaling, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Left foot forward as you inhale. Exhale, drop the back knee for a minute, and then exhale, right comes forward. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, hands to the heart. That's 2. Inhaling. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, right foot in a lunge. This time keep your back knee lifted. Hold the breath, step the left foot back, and then exhale, knees, chest, and chin. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right foot forward. Exhale, left to meet the right. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, hands to the heart. Keep going with the breath. Inhale. Exhale, folding down. Left foot back, inhale, keep the knee lifted. Exhale, step back, lower knees, chest and chin. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Left foot forward, inhale. Right foot forward, exhale. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, hands to the heart. That's 3. Inhale. Exhale, fold. Inhale, right foot back. Exhale, left foot. Lower knees, chest and chin. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right foot. Exhale, left to meet the right. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, hands to the heart. Inhale. Exhale, fold. Left foot back, inhale. Right foot steps back. Exhale, knees, chest and chin. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Left foot forward, inhale. Right foot forward, exhale. Inhale all the way up. Slight back bend and exhale, hands to the heart. Good, that's 4. Try to let this be almost like a meditation in motion as you get used to the movement and the breath. Inhale. Exhale, fold. Right foot back, inhale. Step back. Exhale, knees, chest and chin. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Right foot forward, inhale. Left foot forward, exhale. All the way up, inhale. Slight bend, exhale, all to the heart. From the heart, extend up, inhale. Exhaling, fold. Left foot back, inhale. Step back, lower knees, chest and chin, exhale. Inhale, rising up. Exhale, pressing back. Left foot forward, inhale. Exhale, right to meet the left. Rise up, inhale. And exhale, hands to the heart. Samastiti, holding here. That's our first round of 5. So moving into a second variation, 5 more. Again, feeling kind of the meditative breath, the movement, the coordination of breath with body. Surya Namaskar, sun salutations. So inhale, reach your arms out and up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, you're gonna come up halfway. Exhale, just plant your hands and step back. Lower Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. 5 breaths here. Good, inhale, look forward. Exhale, step your feet to the front of the mat. Arch up, inhale. Fold, exhale. Inhale, come all the way up to stand. Exhale, bring the hands to the heart. Inhale, drawing up. Exhale, fold forward. Half lift, inhale. Step your feet back. If you need to, drop your knees lower halfway down. Exhale, inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. 5 breaths. Spread your fingers. Find that calm and steady breath. Usually by now the body starts to work up a sweat, or maybe that was about 5 minutes ago. This is really good to get the circulation in your body going, bringing you new energy and clarity. Inhale, look forward, and step the feet to the front. Arch up, inhale. Fold, exhale. All the way up, inhale. Exhale, hands to the heart. So 3 more. Don't feel like you have to jump back. If you're not ready, you can always just step back. So inhale, reach up. Exhale, folding down. Inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, bend your knees, plant the hands, step or jump back, lower chaturanga dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe. 5 breaths. This is your moment of stillness amidst all of the dynamic flow of the sun salutations. So you kind of regather our energy, check in with where our mind is in the practice, invite a deeper sense of awareness to what it is that we're doing, how it's feeling. Good, and then inhale, look forward. Exhale, step or hop your feet to the front of the mat. Arch up, inhale. Fold as you exhale. Come all the way up to stand, inhale. Exhale, hands to the heart. 2 more, inhale, reaching up. Exhale, folding down. Rise up, inhale. Step or jump back, chaturanga dandasana, exhale. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. 5 breaths. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, step or hop the feet to the front. Arch up, inhale. Exhale, fold. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, hands to the heart. Last one. Inhaling. Exhale, fold. Arch up, inhale, halfway. Exhale, step or hop back. Chaturanga dandasana. Inhaling, upward facing dog. Exhaling, downward facing dog. 5 breaths, nice and long, slow and steady. Ujjayi breathing, ocean's breath, if you're familiar with what that is. Inhale, look forward, bend your knees, and exhale, step or hop the feet to the front. Arch up, inhale. Fold as you exhale. Inhale all the way up. And exhale, hands to the heart. Keeping your eyes closed just for a minute. Kind of collecting the breath, the energy from all of those movements back into your body, and noticing how you feel. What do these few minutes bring? And maybe you invite this to be your ritual for the next few mornings, or when you're on holiday, or just in your daily life. Such an energizing and empowering practice. Salutations to the sun, Surya Namaskar. So thank you for practicing, and I hope to see you on the mat again very soon. Namaste.